So students, today I am going to revise chapter of Geography, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. So here, first of all, natural vegetation is a vegetation that grows without the interference of human being. Okay? So two factors on which the growth of natural vegetation depends. Any factors, not two, any factors. आप इसमें बता सकते हो फर्स्ट इज मॉइस्चर, टेम्परेचर एंड स्लोप ऑफ थिकनेस ऑफ सॉइल. Slope and thickness of soil. Listen again. Moisture, temperature, thickness of soil and slope. So these are the factors on which the growth of vegetation mostly depend. Learn again. Listen again. आप पहले बताओगे मॉइस्चर, टेम्परेचर, थिकनेस ऑफ सॉइल एंड स्लोप. यस, उसमें ही आ गया ना मॉइस्चर में. 3 broad categories of natural vegetation. अब यहाँ पे आपको उसकी 3 broad categories बतानी है. First is forest, grasslands and shrubs are the 3 broad categories of natural vegetation. Forest is an area where trees, plants grow on their own. Grasslands grow in the region of moderate rainfall. Grasslands are found in the regions of moderate rainfall. Shrubs. Thorny shrubs grow in dry regions. Thorny shrubs grow in dry regions such as in desert areas. Hardwood trees आपको बताने हैं ebony and mahogany, rosewood, annie. अब फॉरेस्ट जो है ना, आप कह सकते हो एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट एंड डेसिडुअस फॉरेस्ट. एंड इन इंडिया वी हैव डेसिडुअस फॉरेस्ट. जो मेन पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया इज कवर्ड बाय डेसिडुअस फॉरेस्ट. इंडिया में ज्यादा कौन से फॉरेस्ट पाए जाते हैं? डेसिडुअस, बिकॉज इन सेंट्रल पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया वी हैव deciduous forest. Now, what's the difference between evergreen and deciduous forest? Listen carefully. This question can be asked in the paper, though it's not given at the back of the book. But this question can be asked in the paper. First is evergreen and deciduous forest. Evergreen में आप 1 मिनट में बताओगे. Here trees remain green throughout the year. Evergreen नाम से ही आपको क्लियर रहेगा. Here trees remain green throughout the year. उधर आप कह दोगे डेसिडुअस में here trees do not remain green throughout the year. इधर आप कहोगे here trees do not shed their leaves at same time. तभी वो ग्रीन रहते हैं ना, जब तक पुराने पत्ते झड़ते हैं नए आ चुके होते हैं. Here trees do not shed their leaves at same time. उधर आप कहोगे trees shed their leaves in particular season. इधर आप कहोगे एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट आर आल्सो नोन एज रेन फॉरेस्ट. इनको हम रेन फॉरेस्ट भी कहते हैं. उधर आप कहोगे डेसिडुअस फॉरेस्ट आर आल्सो नोन एज मॉनसून फॉरेस्ट. सीजनल है ना, तो मॉनसून फॉरेस्ट. एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट गेट रेनफॉल मोर देन 200 centimeter. Deciduous forests get rainfall less than 200 centimeter. Evergreen forests are very dense forest. Sunlight cannot reach the ground. उधर आप कहोगे कि not so thick forest, not so dense forest. Deciduous forests are not so dense forest. इधर आप एग्जाम्पल्स में बता सकते हो. एवरग्रीन में रोजवुड, एबनी, mahogany, है ना. उधर आप कह सकते हो टीक, साल एंड शीशम are the example of deciduous forest. Teak, sal and shisham are the examples of deciduous forest. Next is hardwood trees. Ebony, mahogany and rosewood are hardwood trees. Tropical deciduous forests are found in India, Northern Australia, and Central America. Learn it. Tropical deciduous forests are found in India, Northern Australia, and Central America. Climatic conditions which are good for the cultivation of citrus fruits. तो आपने सबसे पहले तो सिट्रस फ्रूट्स आपने बताने हैं, ऑरेंज, ग्रेप्स, फिग्स, ऑलिव एक्सेट्रा। पहले तो आपने ये बताने हैं सिट्रस फ्रूट्स। फिर आपने बताना है सिट्रस फ्रूट्स आर कल्टीवेटेड इन Mediterranean type of climate, having hot and dry summers and mild rainy winters. Citrus fruits जो होते हैं ना, such as olives, figs, oranges, grapes, they are cultivated in Mediterranean type of climate, having hot and dry summers and mild rainy winters. Learn it. Citrus fruits are cultivated in Mediterranean type of climate, having hot and dry summers and mild rainy winters. अगर आ जाए name some citrus fruits, so you can write grapes, olives, figs, oranges, etc. Uses of coniferous forest. अब इसमें आपने बताना है कि coniferous forest है ना, कमर्शियल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत ही यूजफुल है। दे आर यूजफुल फॉर द कमर्शियल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। क्यों? दे प्रोवाइड सॉफ्टवुड ट्रीज। हियर सॉफ्टवुड ट्रीज आर फाउंड। सॉफ्टवुड ट्रीज पाए जाते हैं विच प्रोवाइड वुड पल्प। Coniferous forests are useful for commercial point of view. यहाँ पे आप बताओगे दे प्रोवाइड, क्या प्रोवाइड करते हैं वो? सॉफ्टवुड दैट प्रोवाइड वुड पल्प, एंड वुड पल्प इज यूजफुल फॉर मेकिंग पेपर, मैच बॉक्सेस, पैकिंग बॉक्सेस, न्यूज प्रिंट्स एक्सेट्रा. So in this way we can say coniferous forests are useful for commercial point of view, क्योंकि ये हमें softwood trees provide करते हैं, and softwood trees provide wood pulp. Wood pulp is useful for making paper, match boxes, packing boxes, and newsprints. In which part of world seasonal grasslands are found? Seasonal grasslands are found in mid-latitudinal zones in the interior part of the continent. Mid-latitudinal zones, New Zealand, coastal regions of Western Europe. New Zealand and coastal areas of Western Europe. Listen again. आप कह सकते हो seasonal grasslands are found in New Zealand and coastal regions of Western Europe. You can also write Chile. Chile भी एक country है, वहाँ पे भी ये पाए जाते हैं. New Zealand, coastal regions of Western Europe. Seasonal grasslands are found in New Zealand, coastal regions of Western Europe. Now listen one more questions of this chapter also. Grasslands are known by different names in different regions. First is tropical grasslands. In you have also read about temperate grasslands, है ना? Temperate grasslands आपने पढ़ा पूरा full fledged. Tropical grasslands आपने नहीं पढ़ा. तो tropical grassland is not in your syllabus, but here only names are given. Savannah, East Africa. Campos, Brazil, and Llanos, Venezuela. These are the tropical grassland. अब आगे temperate grassland. Temperate तो आपको आता है because you have read about them. First is prairies in North America, velds in Africa, downs in Australia, steppes in Eurasia, and pampas in South America. Yes, it's right. And in your chapter, you have read only about two grasslands, which are the prairies and velds. Prairie lies in North America, whereas velds lies in South Africa. तो आप ये डिटेल में पढ़ चुके हो, ठीक है? तो these are the names of different grasslands found in different parts of the world. Now, what do you mean by taiga? Taiga means pure in Russian language, untouched in Russian language. Taiga means pure or untouched in Russian language. Mediterranean regions are also known as orchards of the world. Orchards of the world for their fruit cultivation. Orchards means fruit gardens. Mediterranean regions are known as orchards of the world for their fruit cultivation. So learn it. Mediterranean regions, why Mediterranean regions are known as orchards of the world? Their fruit cultivation, because of their fruit cultivation. Why Mediterranean forests are known as Mediterranean regions are known as orchards of the world? They are known as orchards of the world because of their fruit cultivation. So learn like this. ये सारे बच्चे 1 mark questions बन जाएंगे आपके, ठीक है? Next is which type of forest dominate most part of India? You know it well, deciduous forest. Deciduous forest. Which part of forest dominates most part of our country? Deciduous forest. I have told you just before. Main part of India, main central part of India, we have deciduous forest. Next is tropical evergreen forest in Brazil is also known as lungs of the earth. Which forests are known as lungs of the earth? Evergreen forest. In which part they are, in which country they are known as lungs of the earth? Brazil. Tropical evergreen forests are known as lungs of the earth. And in Brazil, Brazil में उन्हें क्या कहा जाता है? Lungs of the earth. One of the world's largest snakes, that is anaconda, found in the tropical rainforest. Anaconda found in tropical rainforest. And lungs of the earth. Which forests are known as lungs of the earth? Tropical evergreen forest. Tropical evergreen forest. In which country they are known as lungs of Brazil? In Brazil, they are known as lungs of the earth. Which आप कौन सा आप कहोगे कि वर्ल्ड्स लार्जेस्ट स्नेक कहाँ पे पाया जाता है? Anaconda in tropical rainforest. Answer is tropical rainforest. Anaconda is found in tropical rainforest. Next is to learn these 1 mark. Kostaga means pure, untouched in Russian language. And mosses and lichens are found in which type of vegetation? Mosses and lichens are found in tundra vegetation. Thorny bushes are found in hot, dry, desertic climate. In tropical forest, evergreen forest, one of the common animal is monkey. One important variety of coniferous forest is, out of these, which is a coniferous forest? Rosewood. Rosewood is a hardwood tree. पता है ना? And teak is also a hardwood tree. So pine is a softwood tree. So coniferous trees कैसे होते हैं? Softwood trees. तो इनमें से कौन सा है जो coniferous tree है? Pine. Steppes grassland is found in Central Asia. Steppes grassland is found in Central Asia. Name the tropical grasslands of Brazil. Campos. Tropical grasslands of Brazil. Campos. Tropical grassland of Brazil. Campos. And tropical grasslands of East Africa. Savanna. Tropical grassland of East Africa. Savanna. Next is citrus fruits. Oranges, grapes, olives, figs. कहाँ पे पाए जाते हैं ये? In Mediterranean type of climate. कैसा होता है Mediterranean type of climate? Having hot and dry summers with mild rainy winters. Mild rainy winters. Different आपको मैं कह रही हूँ evergreen forest के बारे में 5 lines लिखनी है आपने. तो evergreen forest remain green throughout the year. They are also known as lungs on the earth. They are also known as rain forest. And here they get rainfall more than 200 centimeters. These are very dense forests. And they do not shed their leaves at same time. Here trees do not shed their leaves at same time. And main trees are, आपने trees बता देने, ebony, mahogany, rosewood. अब आ जाओ deciduous forest. Deciduous forests do not remain green throughout the year. Here trees shed their leaves in particular season. And these are also known as monsoon forests. These are not so dense forests. They get rainfall less than 200 centimeter. अब आपने एग्जांपल्स में बताना है टीक, साल एंड शीशम. टीक, साल एंड शीशम. And evergreen forests are found in which part of India? It's not given in the book. वैसे आपको इंडिया के अकॉर्डिंग नॉलेज होनी चाहिए. ईस्टर्न साइड एंड अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड. Eastern part of India, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Learn it. Evergreen forests are found in Andaman and Nicobar Island and eastern part of India. ठीक है. Deciduous forests are found in central part of India. Deciduous forests are found in the central part of India. So this is about chapter grasslands and vegetation. I think there is no problem now in this chapter, and I think you will also read your book, your lesson thoroughly to do 1 mark questions or MCQ questions for this. Do thorough reading of this chapter, students, please. We have revised the whole lesson, and first of all, within 3 days, we will revise whole geography, and then I will revise civics. ठीक है? So your today's work is read thoroughly this chapter and try to frame different 1 mark questions in your rough copy. Okay.